Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this filler number 3 for this 100 ounce. Look for top spot, advances to the main. We are live. $9.13. I got the list here. 10 entries, Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 8 times at 9.13. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 times, you got Michael on the top. Must go 8. Good luck, wish at 9.13. 9.13. Last and final roll. Top spot advances to the main. Congratulations goes to spot 1, Bruno. Congratulations, Bruno. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 9.13. 9.13. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.